Alright, we're recording the sewer line here today at 3009 3rd Avenue West. Date is October 1st, 2020. Making this recording today from the crawl space clean out access that's down here in the crawl. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main. I'm going to show you some Bob Oates repair work that was done on the sewer line. We dug down, repaired an offset section of pipe in the parking strip, and then install the liner downstream to the main to fix a number of offsets and sections of mortared pipe that had some funky stuff going on. So we fixed all that. It's all now under warranty. What we're looking at there is the Seattle City main flowing by 3rd Avenue West. I'm going to come back from there. We'll get a good look at the Bob Oates repair work, and I'll show you what was done. So coming back from there, we go straight into our 6-inch diameter liner. So we get from the main right back into the 6-inch diameter liner, and we come back through here. So all this section of pipe has now been lined. All this blue part you're seeing here. Hold on one second. Readjust. Okay, we'll continue coming back now. So we're coming back there into our 6-inch repair we did. So we dug down, fixed a section of offset pipe, then like I said, we installed that liner downstream. So this is the pipe that was repaired in the parking strip there. So coming back from there, we're in concrete pipe. This is all original to the building. We didn't do anything with this pipe. But it's intact and it's functioning properly, so at this time we are leaving it as is. And we're coming back up into plastic now from that concrete pipe into the ABS plastic and coming up out of the clean out. And there's the clean out access we're getting at here today. And I'm going to end the video there.